or I do think it is because, and using our anchor chart that we made together yesterday, if we need to amend our anchor chart, which means if we need to change it in any way, we can always do that if you think something needs to be added to it. But let's just start off by which ones, and I think I know what one is going to start, which ones were tricky for you out of these? Which ones were the trickiest? Mila.
K, because you would think.
Okay, listen real quick because I heard every group that I went to was talking about K at some point in lengthy discussion, okay? So I want to hear, so Mila, first of all, did you and your partner agree?
Yes.
No? From the beginning, or did you disagree?
Beginning, we did agree on K, but then we disagreed, and we realized that the sides aren't straight, and that they're curved in, and triangles are polygons, but polygons have straight sides, not curved.
Whoa. So, okay, but up here on my anchor chart, it only says sides, 3 sides, and this does have 3 sides, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But what did you say about a polygon?
That it has to have straight sides.
Because a triangle is
Polygon.
a polygon. So maybe we'll make a change to this. So first, before I agree, I haven't agreed with Mila whether this was. Does anybody have a counter claim that says no, that is a triangle? Layla, or what do you want to say about K? Whether you agree with Mila or disagree?
Those K is in the.
It's okay. Let it. Did you want to talk about? You agree with Mila that it is not a triangle? Okay. What was your reasoning? What did you and your partner kind of sleuth out together?
We actually thought it was a triangle because it had 3 sides.
Okay. So it has 3 sides.
But then I was thinking of music and I forgot polygons are straight.
Ooh.
I disagree.
So I love that Layla said. Did you hear what she said?
Yeah.
That she thought, well, it has 3 sides. So my partner and I agreed that that was a triangle. But after hearing Mila's description that, oh yeah, triangles are polygons. And one of our rules for polygons was that they have to have straight sides. Hey, did you have something to add to that one or a different one?
I at first thought it was a triangle, and then Eliza thought it wasn't. And she had great reasoning, and then I gave mine, and then I had great reasoning. And then she pointed out that a polygon has to have all straight sides, just like Mia said, and all triangles are a polygon.
Awesome. Thank you for that explanation to just further. So that's what I came in on their discussion and they disagreed, but they both gave their reasoning and they both had really good reasoning because Hey went through each one. It has 3 sides, it has 3 vertices, and it has 3 angles. But then my partner said, but it's a polygon and the sides aren't straight, and a polygon the sides are straight. Awesome. Thank you for sharing. Okay, do we want to move on to a different shape?
Yeah.
Okay, Andrew.
Me and my partner disagreed on
Wait, what did you say?
My partner and I disagreed on E because Allison actually thought it was a triangle because it has 3 sides. It has the 3 points and it has 3 straight sides, but the vertices are points and points. They're not curvy. And Allison said no because it is because some people actually draw a triangle like that.
Okay.
Then she agreed with me.
So Allison, you changed once AJ gave you his reasoning.
Yeah, and I also said I thought it was a triangle, but then I saw it was open right there, so then I agreed with AJ that it was not a triangle.
All right. Okay. So wait a second before we go on K. So are we in agreement now? Is K a triangle?
No.
We all agree.
Yeah.
So put your thumb down if it is not. Put your thumb up if you think it is a triangle. All right. So I think we have you think K is a triangle?
Yes. Because I think it is because
Okay. Did you listen to our explanation from our friends?
Oh.
What did they say again?
They said it's not a triangle because polygons are not curved.
Exactly. They have to be straight, right?
Yeah.
So let's add that since we confirmed that. Everybody understand why? So let's add, we know, okay, I'm not going to do each one, but since we sleuthed that out, thank you for doing that. Those were amazing explanations. Okay, so we were back to talking about E. So AJ said, my partner Allison thought that E originally was a triangle because it does. Once again, it has 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles. But what was different about this one?
The vertices are actually supposed to be points and not curves.
Okay. So that kind of lends itself to the same thing. It's not straight, right? Peyton, do you have something to add?
So I agree with AJ that it's not because like when Allison said that some people draw their triangles like that, like we've been talking about, we're humans, we're not perfect. So sometimes that's just how our triangles turn out.
True, right? Maybe they wanted theirs, but I couldn't have said it better. Both of them, thank you for saying that because Allison's right. Some people do draw their triangles like that, but does that mean it's a triangle? Not necessarily. We now know that it's not. So even if they tell you I drew a triangle, we could say, actually, we know now. So yes, straight sides include the vertices. Those need to be straight as well. Georgia.
I actually had something really tricky for me,
Okay.
which was E, because the sides were kind of curved, and then all the rest of the triangle had point sides. So me and Joelle agreed that wasn't triangle because it had curved sides, so it had no vertices.
Awesome. So you realized, once again, it needs to be straight rather than curved. All right, let's look at, Caleb, do you have another one that tricked you?
I'm going to add something.
Okay, go ahead and add something to eat.
So actually, me and Logan actually thought it was a triangle but we didn't see the curvy sides. So until me and Logan saw that point, but we didn't see the rest of them.
So you kind of thought that one looked pointy.
And then until Miss Orton came over here and I said it looks like a polygon, but it's not a polygon because it doesn't have straight sides.
Awesome. Thank you. Allison, did you want to talk about a different shape? Okay, which one tricked you? We'll talk about 2 more. So wait, are we confirming E? Thumbs up if you think it is a triangle. Thumbs down if you do not. E. I think, is that a questionable?
Yeah.
So do you want to explain and we can help?
One reason is, well, it does, yeah, we all know as sides, angles, versus one day, Mrs. Orton said, you know, it would look a little round. She said it was a polygon or something. Good. I thought you did say that, didn't you?
That's okay. Sometimes we get confused, but do you see now that polygons do need to have? We know a triangle's a polygon, therefore a polygon it has to have straight. Awesome. But thank you for explaining that, Talon. It's important to talk it out. Okay, so we're gonna put E. Let's do one that you didn't think was a triangle at first, but maybe your partner talked you into it, or you just figured it out on your own. Let's see, Olivia. We haven't heard from you yet.
First I thought L was a triangle. But then I saw the top and it wasn't closed and it was
That's okay. So they cross.
yeah.
Okay, so So did you come to the conclusion that this is or is not a triangle? Is not. Do we agree? So what would be a reason why this is not a triangle? So Olivia said because it's not closed, but our anchor chart doesn't say it needs to be closed. Allie?
It has overlap.
It has overlaps, but our anchor chart doesn't say anything about overlaps. Do we need to add something?
Yeah.
Because this doesn't say anything about polygons yet, but we're using what we already know about polygons to add to it, right? So let's add. So 3, what kind of sides, not just 3 sides, they have to be straight sides. And then what was another thing about this one that made it, Georgia?
To be closed.
Closed. So I'm gonna have to, let's see, triangles are closed.
We are closed. Not open.
And then anything else we should add at this time, or does that cover it for now?
Cover it. No, it has straight sides. They're all top.
I don't know why I put it below the sides. But that could go for sides and vertices, right? Because we could tell on E we don't want any curved lines whatsoever in our shape. So do you think that's pretty sufficient? Okay, real quick. What about N? What did you decide on N? N. Jarrell.
It isn't.
Is not?
Not.
Okay, what was your reasoning?
Because it has to have 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles, and it has 6 of each.
Yeah, 6 of each. Okay. What if I say this is one side, this is one side, this is one side, but it still is more than 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want to add to that?
No.
Peyton?
So even though these, so if you take off this is still a triangle. You can take off this is still a triangle, but they can't be combined in mostly, since they're combined, it's actually just making it so like if you do it like that, this line could be overlapping this line.
Okay, so what could we add? I hear a theme onto our chart. It cannot, Georgia, overlap, or the line segments can't intersect or overlap. So we'll add that one too. All right.